Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my new another video. Hope you all fine. Today I am going to share with you the review of Keratin Enzo Keratin Hair Treatment Mask. I am sharing the review with you after using this mask, so don't skip the video. Viewers, Enzo Hair Treatment Mask is a deep conditioning treatment designed to repair and rejuvenate damaged hair. It deeply nourishes and hydrates, leaving hair feeling soft, smooth, and full of life. The mask is formulated to target dryness, frizz, and breakage and is suitable for all hair types. It's often infused with Brazilian keratin and collagen, enhancing smoothness, shine, and overall hair health. I used this mask for about 2 weeks. After using it for 2 weeks, the frizziness and dryness of my hair disappeared and my hair became shiny and smooth. My beautiful viewers, Enzo In-Salon Hair Spa Treatment Mask, a must-have for your hair care routines. These masks are perfect for all hair types and is designed to provide a luxurious spa treatment for your hair. This mask is specially formulated to nourish and hydrate your hair. Whether you have dry, damaged, or color treated hair, this mask will help to restore its natural shine and vitality. Simply apply to your hair and leave on for a few minutes before rinsing off. Perfect for use in salons or at home. The mask is must have for anyone looking to give their hair the ultimate pampering experience. The use of this mask is very easy. First, wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo to remove dry dirt, oil, or product buildup. To towel dry hair until it's damp. Apply a generous amount of the mask to your hair, starting from the ends and working your way up to the roots. Next, comb through your hair to distribute the mask evenly. Cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse the mask out thoroughly with warm water. Style your hair as usual. Viewers, the mask is formulated with high quality ingredients including Brazilian keratin and collagen to provide long lasting moisturizer and protection. Its price is also affordable. It is available in two sizes, 500 ml and 1000 ml. You can easily get it from the market for 700 rupees. A 1000 ml bottle is not easy to carry for us, so I bought a 500 milliliter bottle, and you can also buy it from the Dras. I highly recommended this mask if you are also worried about your hair being frizzy and lifeless. Then definitely try this mask and let me know in the comments box if you like this mask. So viewers, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. You can get other related video from my channel. So visit my channel. Allah Hafiz.